Ancient giant creature number 11. Deinosuchus. The giant prehistoric crocodile. Deinosuchus was a massive prehistoric crocodile that lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 80 to 73 million years ago. Its name means terrible crocodile in Greek. Deinosuchus was one of the largest crocodilians to have ever existed, and its discovery has provided valuable insights into the evolution and diversity of ancient crocodiles. Deinosuchus is estimated to have reached lengths of up to 12 to 15 meters, 40 to 50 feet, making it one of the longest crocodilians known to science. It is estimated to have weighed around 8 to 10 tons, which is comparable to the weight of a large African elephant bull. Deinosuchus had a long, narrow snout, and its skull was adorned with massive, blunt teeth. Its jaws were incredibly powerful, capable of exerting a bite force of up to 80,000 pounds per square inch. Its body was robust and muscular, with powerful tail muscles that allowed it to swim efficiently and maneuver on land. Deinosuchus inhabited coastal regions, rivers, and wetlands during the late Cretaceous period. Its fossils have been found in what is now North America, specifically in the southeastern United States. Fossil evidence suggests that Deinosuchus had a relatively wide distribution across North America, with finds reported in states such as Alabama, Georgia, and Mississippi. As an apex predator, Deinosuchus primarily fed on large prey such as dinosaurs, including hadrosaurs and ceratopsians. Its diet may have also included fish, turtles, and other aquatic animals. Deinosuchus was an ambush predator, using its powerful jaws and stealth to catch unsuspecting prey. It likely lay in wait in rivers, lakes, or coastal areas, striking when prey came close to the water's edge. Deinosuchus was likely a solitary animal, only coming together with others of its kind to mate. Its behavior would have been similar to that of modern crocodiles, spending most of its time in or near water. There is limited evidence to suggest the social structure of Deinosuchus. However, it is believed that, like modern crocodiles, it may have had a hierarchical structure, with larger individuals dominating smaller ones. Deinosuchus, along with many other species of dinosaurs and marine reptiles, went extinct at the end of the Cretaceous period. This mass extinction event, known as the KPG extinction, is believed to have been caused by a combination of factors, including a massive asteroid impact and intense volcanic activity. The first Deinosuchus fossils were discovered in the 1950s in North Carolina, USA. Since then, several other fossil finds have been reported, including a nearly complete skeleton found in Alabama. These discoveries have provided valuable insights into the biology and ecology of this prehistoric giant. Interesting facts. Deinosuchus was one of the largest predators of the late Cretaceous period. Its name, Deinosuchus, means terrible crocodile in Greek. Deinosuchus had the strongest bite force of any animal, including the Tyrannosaurus rex,